Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to part 2 of the same story from the diary of young girl. So, now I will start the lesson. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Now, Anne is telling, okay, or writing in a diary, okay, what is her experience about writing a diary. So, it is a strange experience for someone like Anne. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that latter nor on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings thought of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. So that's why writing is a strange experience for her. Number one, there are two reasons. Number one is that she has never written anything before like this, like a diary, and second, that though she is writing the diary now, right now, but afterwards, no one will be interested in reading her diary, and she herself will not be interested in reading her diary because she is only a little girl, 13 years old. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. So she has a burden inside her chest. She has something, okay, what that she wants to expose, okay, that she wants to disclose to others, and that will make her feel easy. That will make her feel comfortable. That's why, okay, she wanted to get things off her chest, out of her chest, okay, by sharing with someone. And whom to share? She is sharing it with her diary. Now she is telling paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, like this, bored and listless with no energy. Now she is thinking of a line, of a statement. What is it? Paper has more patience than people. Now, what do you mean by this line? Now, if you tell facts about you, okay, now one facts after the other to someone, okay, who is a very good friend of yours. Now, he or she may get boring, okay, by listening to your talks, but paper, okay, paper will never get boring by listening to your facts if you write something on a paper. So that's why she is saying paper has more patience to listen to your conversation, to your story than people. And she's saying that she thought of this saying on one of those days when she was feeling little depressed, sad, okay, and she was sitting alone at home and she was thinking, wondering, okay, whether she should stay inside the home or should go out and have a little refreshment outside. Now what she did? I finally stayed where I was brooding, thinking seriously. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I'm not planning to let anyone else read this steep bagged talking about firm, okay, not movable, talking about the diary. So, steep bagged notebook, grandly referred to as a diary. Unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. Now, she's saying that she finally decided, okay, to stay where she was brooding, means she was she was thinking seriously, and she believes that yes, people does have more patience than any other human being, okay, and since she is not planning to read her diary, to let her diary read by any other people, okay, by any other person, and that's why she referred to her diary, okay, and she referred to her diary that she will take her diary as her friend, okay, and will share everything with her friend, an intimate friend, okay, until and unless she finds a real friend, someone with whom she could share her feelings, her inner feelings, okay. So till then, till that time, she will take this diary, okay, as a friend and write everything in her diary. It probably won't make a bit of difference. Bit of difference that whether it is a human being or it is actually paper. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. So this is the reason that why she wants to keep a diary, because she doesn't have a friend. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in this world. Now she is making it more clear. Okay, now if she speaks that I am alone in this world, so no one will believe that you are only 13-year-old and you are saying that you are alone in the world, you don't have any family, you don't have any friends. So the things are not like this. The things are different. In what ways the things are different, she is explaining. Now she is saying that I am not alone. Actually, I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. And there are about 30 people I can call friends. And apart from my family, my parents and my sister, I have 30 people whom I can call my friends. I have a family loving aunt and a good home. She has her relatives also in form of her aunts, and they are loving, and she has a good home. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything except one true friend. So, on the surface, in practical ground, in reality, she has everything, but she doesn't have a true friend. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. So, actually, she is having friends, lots of friends, but when she is with her friends, so they talk general things, okay, things which give them fun. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. So these are the things that she talks with her friends, ordinary everyday things. We don't seem to be able to get closer, and that is the problem. So we friends don't seem to get closer with one another, and this is the problem. That is the problem. Okay, we can't share anything secret with each other. Maybe it is my fault that we don't confide in each other. So maybe it was Anne's fault. Okay, that she is not able to share with other. Maybe. In any case, that is just how things are, and unfortunately they are not liable to change. So she is saying, anyway, this is the fact. This is the fact, and things are going on like this. And unfortunately, unluckily, they are not bound to change, liable to change, subject to change, or bound to change. This is why I have started the diary, and that's why she has started to write a diary. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, so she thought about having a good friend, a real friend, a true friend in her imagination for a longer period of time. Okay, since a long time, she was thinking about, okay, in her imagination, having a good friend. I don't want to jot down the facts in the diary the way most people would do, and she would not like to write a diary as other people do. Okay, now she wants to write something different in her diary. Okay, in a different fashion. Okay, in comparison to other people who write diary. How? But I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. Now, what is the difference in her writing with the other people in a diary? That other people write in a diary, okay, thinking the diary as an inanimate object, but she takes her diary as her friend, and she wants to give her diary a human shape by giving it a name. And what is the name that she is giving to her diary, taking it as her closest friend? The name is given, Christian, is Kitty. So that's it, student. This is part 2. Okay, so we'll continue in part 3, part 4. Okay, the remaining portions. Okay, so goodbye.